How to contact a seller on eBay. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to contact any seller on eBay easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to ebay.com and log into your account, of course. Now choose the product that the seller is selling, for example this product right here. Now I want to contact the seller of this product. All what you have to do is just go right here and on the seller information and click on contact seller. Now as you can see right here, you can contact the seller by clicking here, and as you can see here you can write a message and add the photo if you want, and then send message. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.